guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this American racing wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So this is the all famous American racing Torq Thrust. This is the VN215. They come 15x7, 5 on 127, -6 offset. This is a 3 on 3/4 inch back spacing. So it's matte gray with machine lip. So this is the 15.7, and then we're going to show you 15.8. The 15.8 is a 5 on 127 as well, -18, and then the matte gray. Whenever you shop for the 15.8, make sure to shop VN215 5873, and then shop for the front, which is VN215 5773. So that way you have the 15.7, 15.8 combo. So I'll open them up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So this is the 15.7. That way you guys can see the lip size, what the lip size looks like. And I'll showcase it for you. So here's your 15.7 VN215. So matte gunmetal, it's like a textured gunmetal finish, guys. Conical seat lug nuts will go right in. 60-degree taper, just regular conical seat. TPMS, well, on these you're just running a regular valve stem. And then billet style center cap. These are held down with 5 screws and good looking. Let me give you the lip size on the 15.7. So you're at, from the face of this wheel to the edge of the barrel, 2.5 inches. So there you have it. So this 15.7. So, center bore on this wheel, the center bore, it's 83 millimeters, guys. So for those guys that have the big bores, maybe the Chevys, they come down to a 78. This is 83. You don't need a hub ring, but this is just be a nice bolt on. So I'm gonna set the 15.7 down. That way you have it. And then I'll open up 15.8s so you guys can take a look at 15.8s. So bam. Check this guy out. That way you guys can see both lip sizes on the wheel. So they're both 3 on 3/4 inch back spacing. This is your 15.8. Set this aside. Here you go. Same wheel, same everything. Just a little 1 inch wider. Lip size does grow. So you're from that 2.5 to 3.5. So an extra inch on the 15.8. There you increase in lip size. Same texture gunmetal, conical seat lug nut to go right on, billet center cap. And then 5 on 5. So a lot of you guys are asking 5 on 5. It's the same as 5 on 127. Just one set in inches and one set in millimeters. Let me tell you the wheel weight. A lot of you guys ask, what's the wheel weight on these 15-inch wheels? I'll weigh in the 15.7. You're at 14 pounds. That's pretty light. And your 15.8, check it out, 15 pounds. So you have it. You got your combo set up on your any Chevy 5 on 5. This is a great setup. If you guys are looking for a Torq Thrust in this color, in the gunmetal or in the polish or in the chrome, we carry it. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.